So we've got a nice demo here. So let's go over another 2-minute review of some exciting things that happened in the platform in the last year. Again, I'll have to move really quick to get through them, and then we'll go to the next demo. So as I dive right in here, we've added over a dozen new insights into this panel over the last year, as well as made 30 enhancements across the others. I'm only going to have time for 2. So the first one I'm going to go to is the spanning tree anomaly recommender. As I dive into Bangalore here, what you'll see is a dashboard that kind of shows me the idea of what topology change notifications have happened in the network and recognizes when there's an anomalous number of them. Now, the recommendations that it can make out of this are 3. Number 1, you can have a recommendation that essentially says, I, Central, understand what your core and aggregation is. You should probably move the root bridge up to that particular device. Number 2, I understand when I've not have BPDU guard assigned at the edge, and I should probably assign that. Or number 3, I generally understand what the topology is, and you've got some odd configuration in terms of how you've set those priorities. Now, as you can see in this particular instance, right, we're making a recommendation to enable root guard on a port that Central has recognized as facing clients, and we've probably got some spanning tree events that shouldn't be coming in from there. As you can see, other creature comforts as well, a really good view to be able to understand where these events are coming from and their trend, as well as dive into the topology. I'm going to go into my second one, which is the coverage hole optimizer. Here in Indianapolis, you can see a really good picture of all the different access points, clients, and the number of minutes that have been impacted by possible coverage holes. As I scroll down, you can also see that we've got a nice graph indicating to us for the poor coverage hole APs as well as for the more well-performing, what is the overall SNR coverage, what's the uplink SNR coverage, and what's the downlink. As I scroll down finally, right, if I just need what the prescriptive action is, I actually get that right here in this list. For AP1, I have no option but to add an AP to get some additional coverage. And then in AP4, I'm just adjusting power levels and air match to be able to appropriately fill in for that gap. Now, again, this just covers what we've done in Insights, but we've been doing exciting things in the world of Gen AI as well. Up here in the search bar, what we're able to do is do something as simple as show me Windows wired clients and hit enter. And essentially what's going on in the background is there's an LLM that's understanding the intent of what my search was. And then what's happening is it's returning all those results. As an administrator, I didn't have to understand a syntax or some particular way to write this query to get it to show up for me. So that really covers, in as close as I could get to 2 minutes, what we've done in the traditional AI and Gen AI space.